Hi, my name is Preeti. Today I am going to explain what is congruent and what is similar from the triangles chapter. So what is congruent? If we will take an example of square. If we have two squares with same side, like this is 2, all square means all 2. So this square is also having two side. So these two square we can say it is a congruent to each other, and all circles with same radius, like we have two circle, this is 2 centimeter, another circle is also having 2 centimeter. So we can say these two circles are congruent to each other. So we can say what is congruent? Congruent is two figures which is having the same shape or size. Correct? Now what is this is called congruent. Okay. Now what is similar? Similar is like if we have two square, okay, and we can say these two square is similar when their corresponding angles will be equal. Like if we have AB, CD, and this is PQRS. So when we can say these two square are similar, if angle A equals to angle P, this equals to this, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R, and the last one angle D equals to angle S, as well as their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio, means AB by PQ equals to BD by QS equals to CD by RS equals to AC by PR. AC by PR. So we can say two square is similar when their corresponding angles will be same and their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Okay, so this is for any polygon. Okay, now if we will take two triangles, if we have two triangle like ABC, another triangle is PQR. Okay, so for these two, how we can say these two triangles are similar? If their corresponding angles is equals to each other, like angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and this last one angle C equals to angle R, or their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, like AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to BC by QR. Okay. So for triangle we can say if their corresponding angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar. Or we can also say as if their corresponding sides are in the same proportion or ratio, then these two triangles are similar. But in the case of a square, we can say that if all the angles are similar to is equals to each other and all the sides ratio of the corresponding sides is in the same ratio or proportion, then only we can say that any quadrilateral will be similar. Okay, so this is the basic definition or example of congruent and similar. Now we will resolve the exercise 6.1. Okay, so first one is all circles are congruent or similar. As we know, all circles are, here we already explained, all circles with same radius is congruent, but here it's not mentioned it's congruent, it's radius is same or not. So all circles are similar. So first, for example, first one is similar. So all circles are similar. Second, all squares are, as we already explained here, all squares are similar. Why all squares are similar? Because we know that square is having each angle 90 degree. Okay, so all angles are equals to each other, and there, if this is 3 3 3 3 and even this is 5 5 5 5, so 3 by 5 the ratio is same, correct, for both the squares. So all squares are similar. Now the third one, all dash triangles are similar. So all equilateral triangle, you know what is equilateral triangle? Where the angles is 60 degree. So each is having 60 degree. If we have two equilateral triangle, so in this equilateral triangle, if size is maybe this is 3 and another one is 5. So angles is same in both the equilateral triangle and the ratio is same, like 3 by 5 equals to 3 by 5 equals to 3 by 5. So in this case we can say कि all equilateral triangle are similar. Okay, now next 4. Two polygons. Polygons means having same size. If it is quadrilateral, that is also polygon. If it is like this, 2 having 5 sides, this is also polygon. Okay, so all polygons of the same number of sides are similar. This is asking about the similar. So in which condition it will be similar? When that corresponding angles will be equal and that corresponding ratio are in the same proportion. So the answer is their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. So for the fourth, A is equal and B having proportional. Okay. Now the second. Give two examples of pair of similar figures. So what is similar figures? Similar figures having that corresponding angles will be equal and that corresponding sides are in the same ratio, correct? So we can say that two equilateral triangle. Okay, two equilateral triangle. This is similar. Another example like circle. If it may have a different radius, so two circles. This is also similar. If they will ask that second one is, this is the first one and now this is the second one. They are asking about two non-similar figures. Okay. So non-similar figure we can make it like one circle and one triangle. Okay. This is non-similar figure. Another example we can say that one square and maybe one triangle. Non-similar figure can be anything. So this is the answer of second. Now the last question is third. In this question they gave two figures. One is this and another one is this. Here all 3 3 3 3 and in this 1.5 each. So we can see here this is not this is, we can say here it is 90 degree, but this is not 90 degree, correct? So this corresponding angles are not equal. This is bigger than 90 degree. So we can say that okay, these two angles are, these two quadrilateral are not similar. Not similar. Okay. So hope this helps you. This is just for your information. If you are able to, if you have any doubt, you can read this. And here I explained how we can say two triangles are similar, how we can say two polygons are similar. And this is the answer of exercise 6.1. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Also like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.